Oh, thank you po ta. Thank you. Thank you. Next time yung
Next time,
naman.
okay,
Thank you.
Thank you sa Autobot.
Yun. Tapos na siyang install, then tapos na rin kinumber ngayon. Final testing and final test drive tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung difference nung dating suspension, which is the KYB shocks of Fortuner GRS. At saka yung kinabit natin na Oldman Nitro Charger Plus stock height. So makikita nyo na walang nagbago. Same pa rin as stock 1. Kaya kahit stock mags and tires siya, hindi na iwan. Although pwede natin i-upgrade yung tires mo with the highway terrain and all-terrain tires. We have the BFG, we have the Michelin, we have the Nito, and the Cooper. So, ang dami. Yan, ganda na ng bounce niya kahit sa medyo patag or konting lubak. Meron na siyang play. Hindi na yung tipong pag nalulubak na sobrang umaalog yung buong sasakyan. Although with this one, pag nagamit na nagamit, mas lalong nagsisettle yung suspension, yung shocks. Lalo na pagka napalitan to ng wheels and tires, yung mga forge natin, mga flow form, like the BLF, the TCF, dami natin bagong gaganda yung performance, lightweight, ultra lightweight, forge, then yung mga tires natin like the Toyo, the BF Goodrich 8-ply, 6-ply, marami tayong option para mas lalo natin ma-improve yung ride nito. Check natin lang din yung tire pressure nito, parang matigas yung gulong, pero yung ride, ayan, alignment, okay, diretso. By the way, yung camber alignment natin comes with 3 months warranty on. Then with the suspension naman, service warranty for the first 1 year, every 6 months, free din yung retightening natin. Mas possible, mas maganda na babalik nyo every PMS, which is meron na rin kami PMS with our HQ. Pwede nyong isabay na rin yung retightening, lalo na kung nagpa-upgrade kayo ng mga suspension at wheelset. Denive na rin to kanina ni boss. So far so good compared to dati daw, maganda na yung ride ngayon. We have this available. Meron tayong isang ginagawa doon, the Next Gen Everest, and meron din to for other unit like Next Gen Ranger at marami pa. For the price, you can message us, you can visit us anytime in our HQ or call us para mabigyan namin kayo ng deal package. And we have promo starting March 1 for the Oldman Emo Nitro Charger. It's a free jacket from ARB, the carbon steel jacket, for every purchase of Oldman Emo Nitro Charger Plus, shocks and coils, together with the upper control arm. Pero some of the units, walang available upper control arm. You have the option, pwede mong i-package with ARB UBP. Free pa rin yung jacket for a limited time and limited quantity. Paunahan na lang, medyo marami na nag-reserve, marami na nag-avail, kahit hindi pa nila ipapa-install, nag-down, nag-advance, nag-full payment, para scheduling na lang. Pero na-avail nila na yung limited promo natin, which is the carbon steel jacket at yung Autobot merch. Di lang isa, but 2. That's it. Thank you guys and hope to see you soon. God bless. Next time yung next time naman. Thank you. Yan si boss.
Thank you sa Autobot.